In today's video, I'm going to show you Garmin Instinct E 45mm review. Meet the Garmin Instinct E 45mm, a rugged GPS smartwatch with a black and white MIP display, health tracking, smart notifications, built-in sports apps, and up to 16 days of battery life in smartwatch mode. Basically, it is the watch equivalent of hiking boots. Not fancy, but ready to get dirty.
Come on, man.
On paper, this thing is built for people who touch grass on purpose. Garmin and Amazon list 10 atmospheres water rating MILSTD81. Zero testing for thermal and shock resistance. Wrist-based heart rate. Advanced sleep monitoring. Pulse ox. Smart notifications. A 3-axis compass, barometric altimeter, and multi-GNSS support. Translation: it can track your hike, your sleep, your stress, and probably judge you for taking the elevator. Now, users seem mostly happy. Amazon shows around 4.5 out of 5 stars from 444 ratings, with buyers praising battery life, durability, GPS accuracy, health tracking, and value. Home Depot reviews also highlight the 16-day battery claim and simple health tracking. One Amazon reviewer said it performed well for trail navigation with GPX files. That is not just a watch review, that is, I went outside and survived energy. But hold up, wait a minute, something ain't perfect. Reddit users complain that the Instinct E feels like Garmin's Please Upgrade to Instinct 3 watch, mainly because it lacks solar charging and the LED flashlight. Another Reddit owner liked the comfort but said if it had solar and a flashlight, it would be perfect. So yes, it is rugged, but Garmin left some toys in the more expensive drawer. Final verdict: the Garmin Instinct E 45mm is a strong pick if you want a tough, simple, long-lasting outdoor smartwatch without AMOLED flashiness. But if you want solar, flashlight, premium sensors, or maximum battery flex, look higher in the Instinct lineup. This is not the king of Garmin. It is the reliable budget soldier with a backpack and no drama. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.